The Graduate Certificate in Data-Driven Decision Making will help you become empowered to use data, tools, and an efficient approach to guide the decision-making process in your company or organization. This program is designed for learners who are from a technical or non-technical background. It is for people who seek to use the power of data and apply a systematic approach in the context of their work. This program is a great fit for you if you want to learn how to gather data and apply tools to analyze data and deliver business insights. In this program, you will learn how to make decisions based on comprehensive mathematical and computational models for different scenarios. You will also learn how to build computational models using diverse processes and techniques such as clustering and classification to support decision making. In this program, you will use the potential of implementing artificial intelligence solutions in an ethical and transparent manner in compliance with relevant laws and regulations.